Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by creating a Notion integration and copying its token. This is your API key. Once done, share the specific database or page with that integration so it can read and write. Next, open your chosen automation tool and add Notion as a connector. Choose the trigger you want, like new row or property change. Make sure to use a small test database to avoid clutter while you build the first flow. These steps set permissions and a safe sandbox to work in. Now you map fields and assemble the automation. Start by standardizing property names in Notion, title, status, date, and any relation links. Then map each to the automation action fields. Use simple transforms for date formats or text trimming, and insert filters so only desired rows trigger follow-up actions. When chaining actions, add pauses or rate limit awareness to avoid API throttling. Test each step with sample entries and inspect return. Finish by enabling the automation and running an end-to-end test using real entries. Watch logs closely for errors. Make sure to add retry rules and graceful failures so rows don't get lost, and set scheduled health checks or backups for critical databases. Once deployed, monitor for unexpected behavior for 48-72 hours. If things go wrong, first verify the integration still has access and that property names match exactly. Then check throttling or API limits. Fixing those 3 items resolves most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.